Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2014 government pass question. Question number 32 says the power of appointing the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission is vested in the dash. The power of appointing the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission is vested in the that is who has the power to appoint the Inec chairman. So that is what the question is in. So option A says Judicial Council. And when we talk of Judicial Council, we mean bench. Then Council of State, that is the governors. Then we'll talk option C say President. And President is the head of government. And then option D says Senate, which is the National Assembly. So the person that has the power to appoint this Inec chairman is the president of a country. So option C is correct. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe for more videos.